The candle flame dips and ghost letters rise on the tablecloth like constellations. It isn't magic, it's planning. Title phrase in action. At the board dinner, the Russian magnate exposes his partner when the flambéed dessert heats the surface and reveals, in thermal ink, the seating map he designed to cross-check forbidden proximities. Routine before the scandal. For weeks, he tested heat, sound, and inertia. He replaced the porcelain's varnish with a film that vibrates at specific frequencies. Each plate became a microbarometer, logging pulses of nervousness. He discreetly tinted the rims of the glasses with a UV marker to track repeated touches. And he printed on the back of the menu clauses in two-tone chemistry. Cold, they look like poetry. Warm, they become law. When the wine swirls, the trick ripens. The innocent partner taps his glass 8 times in 30 seconds, a pattern that in the magnate's software equals short lies. The quartet's notes drop by a half step, a rehearsed cue, and the room's noise turns into a spectral grid. The central lamp, with a dimmed bulb, emits an infrared pulse that makes a hitherto invisible line appear on the contract paper. Clause 14R. Immediate termination for undeclared conflict of interest. The proof isn't a confession, it's the choreography. On the tablecloth, the flambé's heat traces like neon, the path of approaches between the partner and the rival consultant throughout the night. On the table, a seemingly ordinary paperweight, actually an NFC sensor, reads the chip in his napkin ring and cross-checks it with the badge of the outsourced guest. Forbidden meeting logged in real time. He doesn't accuse. He exhibits method. He turns the paperweight, and the digital stamp prints at the footer of the contract the event seal. Condition 14R fulfilled at 21:47. Contract cancelled without penalty. The guests hold their breath. The partner tries to smile, but the porcelain's acoustic varnish returns a tremor. The whole room hears, like guitar fret buzz. The dinner doesn't turn into an argument. It becomes minutes. The magnate gathers signatures, collects glasses with UV gleam on the rims, and, with the gesture of someone closing a book, seals the night, while the ex-partner swallows the silence. Another ink awakens on the back of the menu, 15S, the restitution clause for external influence. Tomorrow, when the paper meets the lobby light, it will reveal how much of his fortune has already walked off without him noticing. Want to see what else the candle flame still hides?